Well, the end of the day video. We spent the day on the tub, taping up some of the holes so we can paint the interior. And we finished sanding the front volants, the core support. Finished up the A and B pillar on the driver's side.
Rescued the VIN.
Yeah. We rescued the VIN plate. And while my brother was doing that, I've dug through the parts bins and found some more parts that needed blasted. The fender core supports, the under dash support, the hood hinges. So he says he's going to paint this in stages. And I think tomorrow he's wanting to paint the interior in a single stage. Then we'll paint the bottom and the trunk. So I think tomorrow there will be paint a-spraying. Later.